Welcome back to Edu Skills. OET made easy. Our mission is to make you fall in love with OET. If you're watching this on YouTube, kindly consider subscribing to the channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like our work and share to your contacts so that we reach out to maximum OET aspirants, especially those who are financially struggling to crack OET. Our services are absolutely free. And today we are going to deal with reading part C. Synonymous language based question. Just listen and read, go through the text. Definitely that will help your listening competency as well.
Q7. Scientists are worried that the virus could potentially spread A from pigs to humans, B to chicken and turkey farms elsewhere, C to other types of animals, D to the seaport of Valparaiso. Swine flu found in birds last week. The H1N1 virus was found in turkeys on farms in Chile. The UN now says poultry farms elsewhere in the world could also become infected. Scientists are worried that the virus could theoretically mix with more dangerous strains. It has previously spread from humans to pigs. However, swine flu remains no more severe than seasonal flu.
Okay, cool. Now, the question stem says scientists are worried that the virus could potentially spread. You have to see the headings in the strategies I taught you. I have said headings are very important. So what you have in the heading is swine flu found in birds. So swine flu found in birds is important here. And maybe as a practice, you can underline whatever is connected with the birds. Do you have any other words connected with birds or the synonymous of birds anywhere in the text?
Poultry farms.
Poultry farms. Okay, poultry is synonymous. Yes. You don't see turkeys here? Yes. Then question answer options do you have? Birds connected.
Chicken and turkey.
Chicken and turkey farms.
Chicken and turkey.
And as far as we know, if there is heading, side heading, and if the topic sentence speaks about birds and the heading speaks about the birds, answer must be about the birds. Okay, scientists are worried that the virus could potentially spread. Scientists here, they are worried about the swine flu found in birds. Nothing else. So what happens? Here, the possibility, scientists are worried that the virus could potentially spread from pigs to humans. You have here, spread from humans to pigs.
Yes.
Here you have from humans to pigs, which is opposite of this one, right? Just
Yes,
opposite. Okay.
Opposite.
Yeah, so that can be eliminated. To other types of animals. Does the paragraph speak anything about animals?
No.
It should not speak because the heading is about birds, right? So it is not given. Does it speak anything about a place, Valparaiso?
No.
No place mentioned here. That's also not given. So what should be the answer? Chicken and turkey, birds, turkeys, poultry. The UN now says the UN is the synonym of scientists here. UN means UN cannot speak, right? Scientists in UN now says poultry farms elsewhere in the world could also become affected. Do you have any similarity with the answer option? See, chicken and turkey farms, poultry farms, they are synonymous, right? And elsewhere you have in the world could also become infected. Spread is synonymous of
Infected.
Yeah. Infected. Spread is synonymous of infected. So definitely, this is the answer. There is no confusion here because one is opposite, other two are not given. I have highlighted the things for you. See, opposite. Okay. Second one, two chicken and turkey farms elsewhere. Should know poultry farms means it includes all the domesticated birds. So it can be turkey, poultry, or chicken, or anything. So it's synonymous. So you have this as the option. Could potentially spread is an opinion. Word says is an opinion word. See, could also become infected. Poultry farms, opinion word says. See, birds, chicken, and turkey, poultry, all these are synonymous expressions. It is in the subheading, it's in the answer option, it is in the text. So definitely, that tells you what is the answer. Chicken and turkey, poultry. Okay, strategies and tips. Opinion words, could says it's an opinion of synonymous language. Chicken and turkey farms, poultry farms could potentially spread, could also become infected. So the question statement says, scientists are worried that the virus could potentially spread to chicken and turkey farms elsewhere. The text reads, the UN now says poultry farms elsewhere in the world could also become infected. So they are paraphrasing.